Investing your money can be an intimidating task, especially if you're new to it. However, it's a powerful tool that can help you build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Don't worry, you don't have to be a finance expert to get started. In fact, there are many investment strategies that are beginner-friendly and easy to understand. In this video, we'll explore some of the best investment strategies for beginners, including diversification, dollar-cost averaging, index fund investing, and more. We'll also discuss how setting financial goals, doing research, and staying disciplined can help you succeed. Whether you're looking to save for retirement, buy a house, or simply grow your wealth, investing can help you get there. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the Marvin Maxton community, your ultimate destination for finance, business, and industry news and insights. We're so glad to have you with us once again. Here, we share knowledge to help everyone improve themselves. If you haven't subscribed yet, you are not taking advantage of the benefits. We believe in the power of innovation, integrity, and infinite possibilities, and our mission is to help you stay ahead of the curve. Our videos cover a wide range of topics, from finance tips and industry insights to business strategies and best practices, providing you with actionable information that is relevant to your career, business, and life. At Marvin Maxton, we are committed to creating a community to empower people with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in your chosen field, and we are dedicated to maintaining the highest standards of professionalism and accuracy. Thank you for choosing Marvin Maxton as your trusted source for finance, business, and industry news and insights. Join us on our journey towards success and discover the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. So, let's dive in and discover the world of investing together. 1. Setting financial goals. Before investing, it is important to set financial goals. These goals will help determine the investment strategies that are most appropriate for you. For example, if your goal is to save for retirement, you may want to focus on long-term investments that will provide a reliable source of income in the future. If your goal is to save for a down payment on a home, you may want to focus on short-term investments that can provide a higher return on investment. It is important to be realistic when setting financial goals. Consider your current financial situation and how much money you can afford to invest. Also, consider the time horizon for your investments. Are you investing for the short term or the long term? This will help you determine the types of investments that are best suited for your goals. 2. Doing research. Once you have set your financial goals, it is important to do your research before investing. This means understanding the different types of investments that are available, as well as the risks and potential rewards associated with each. It is important to understand that investing involves risk, and there is no guarantee that you will make money. However, by doing your research and making informed decisions, you can increase your chances of success. Some of the most common types of investments include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and their value can rise or fall depending on the performance of the company. Bonds are debt securities that pay a fixed interest rate, and their value can also rise or fall depending on market conditions. Mutual funds and ETFs are portfolios of different investments that are managed by professional fund managers. When doing research, it is important to consider factors such as past performance, fees, and the track record of the fund manager. It is also important to diversify your investments, which we will discuss in more detail in the next section. 3. Diversification. Diversification is a key investment strategy that can help reduce risk and maximize returns. This means investing in a variety of different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, rather than putting all of your money into a single investment. Diversification can help protect your portfolio from market volatility and reduce the impact of any one investment on your overall returns. One way to diversify your investments is through asset allocation. This means dividing your investments into different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and cash. The exact allocation will depend on your financial goals and risk tolerance, but a general rule of thumb is to invest a higher percentage of your portfolio in stocks when you are younger, and gradually shift towards bonds and cash as you get older. Another way to diversify your investments is through geographic diversification. This means investing in companies and funds located in different regions around the world. This can help protect your portfolio from political and economic instability in any one country. 4. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is another investment strategy that can be useful for beginners. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the current market conditions. For example, you may decide to invest $100 every month in a particular mutual fund or ETF. The benefit of dollar cost averaging is that it can help reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments. When the market is high, you will buy fewer shares with your fixed amount of money, and when the market is low, you will buy more shares. Over time, this can help reduce the overall cost of your investments and increase your returns. 5. Index fund investing. Index fund investing is a popular investment strategy that is often recommended for beginners. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or ETF that tracks a particular market index, such as the S&P 500. By investing in an index fund, you can gain exposure to a wide range of companies and industries with just one investment. The benefit of index fund investing is that it is a passive investment strategy that requires minimal effort on the part of the investor. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks or time the market, you can simply invest in a low-cost index fund and hold it for the long term. This can help reduce fees and increase your chances of long-term success. 6. Staying disciplined. One of the most important aspects of successful investing is staying disciplined. This means sticking to your financial goals, staying diversified, and avoiding emotional reactions to market fluctuations. It can be tempting to buy and sell investments based on short-term market trends, but this can lead to costly mistakes and missed opportunities. To stay disciplined, it can be helpful to develop an investment plan and stick to it. This means setting a regular schedule for investing, regularly rebalancing your portfolio, and avoiding the temptation to make impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. 7. Reading books. Investing can seem intimidating, however, with the right resources, anyone can become a successful investor. One of the best ways to gain knowledge and confidence in investing is by reading books written by experienced investors. Here are the top 10 books we recommend for beginner investors. The link for each book can be found in the video description. 1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Considered the Bible of value investing, The Intelligent Investor is a classic book that has been read by generations of investors. In this book, Graham teaches investors how to analyze stocks and invest for the long term. This book is an essential read for anyone looking to become a successful investor. 2. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. John C. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group, is known for his innovative approach to investing. In this book, he outlines his philosophy of low-cost, passive investing, which has helped millions of investors achieve their financial goals. 3. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. In this book, Malkiel explains the principles of efficient market theory and argues that individual investors should focus on index funds instead of trying to beat the market. This book is a great introduction to modern portfolio theory and investing for the long term. 4. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Although it was first published in 1926, The Richest Man in Babylon is still relevant today. In this book, Clason uses parables set in ancient Babylon to teach readers the principles of personal finance, including the importance of saving and investing for the future. 5. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch is one of the most successful investors in history, and in this book, he shares his insights and strategies for investing in the stock market. This book is a great resource for beginners looking to learn more about stock picking and how to identify good investment opportunities. 6. The Essays of Warren Buffett by Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is widely considered to be one of the greatest investors of all time, and in this book, he shares his wisdom and philosophy on investing. This book is a collection of Buffett's letters to shareholders and other writings, and it provides valuable insights into his approach to investing. 7. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. In this book, J.L. Collins advocates for a simple approach to investing that anyone can follow. He emphasizes the importance of index funds and asset allocation, and he provides practical advice for building a strong investment portfolio. 8. The Boglehead's Guide to Investing by Taylor Larimore, Mel Lindauer, and Michael LaBeouf. This book is based on the principles of John C. Bogle and his low-cost, passive investing philosophy. It provides practical advice for building a diversified portfolio and managing risk, and it is a great resource for beginner investors. 9. The Four Pillars of Investing by William Bernstein. In this book, William Bernstein explains the principles of asset allocation, diversification, and risk management. He also provides valuable insights into the history of investing and the psychology of investing, making it a great resource for anyone looking to become a more informed and successful investor. 10. Investing 101 by Kathy Kristoff. For beginners who are just starting out, Investing 101 is a great place to begin. This book provides a comprehensive overview of the basics of investing, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It also provides practical advice for creating a strong investment strategy and managing risk. Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial goals, but it requires careful planning, research, and discipline. By setting financial goals, doing your research, diversifying your investments, using dollar-cost averaging and index fund investing, and staying disciplined, you can increase your chances of long-term success. Remember that investing involves risk, and there is no guarantee that you will make money. However, by following these strategies, you can minimize risk and maximize your chances of achieving your financial goals. Remember, investing is a long-term process that requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn. By staying focused on your goals and making informed decisions, you can build wealth and create a more secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones. So, if you're ready to start investing, take the time to educate yourself, set clear financial goals, and create a plan that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment timeline. With patience and persistence, you can achieve financial success and build the life you've always wanted. We appreciate you taking the time to be here with us today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, we would really appreciate it if you could give it a like. By doing so, you'll not only be showing support for the content creator, but also helping others who are in need of this information to discover and benefit from this video as well. Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss out on our latest videos. As always, we value your opinion and invite you to share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and we are excited to share even more knowledge with you in our upcoming videos.